Erika here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we're going to do the school day makeup tutorial. It has part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. So for today's video guys, we're going to do the part 4 of this makeup tutorial. It will be the college makeup tutorial. So guys, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, if you have some sensitive skin, don't wear some makeup. But if you want to wear some makeup, you can wear some makeup na hiyang nyo. So guys, college naman na kayo. So wala nang rules na bawal ang makeup dyan. So you can wear some makeup all the time kasi wala na silang pake sa'yo. Pero maybe some school dyan, I don't know, maybe nasa sobrang stricto, pati college bawal mag-makeup. Weird, no? So guys, tama na ang chikahan. So without further ado, let's go to the video. So guys, you are in college now, so you can wear some makeup all the time. Pero always remember, you're still a student. Pupunta ka pa rin sa school. So keep it simple pa rin, okay? So first, always keep your skin clean. Bago mag-apply sa makeup, you want to keep your skin clean. So, second, we're gonna apply some moisturizer. This is from W2. Always put some moisturizer, guys, because you want to keep your skin moisturized, right? So, guys, I'm done applying my moisturizer. So next guys, we're gonna apply some BB cream. This is from Odbo. And kayo na po bahala guys if you want foundation na lang ilagay nyo. Pero I prefer some BB cream kasi mas natural siya tignan. So I'll use my fingers guys. Pero kayo po bahala if you want to use some sponge. So guys, here's the finished look in the BB cream. Next, we're gonna apply some concealer. This is from Clinique. So, I'll put sa eye bag, syempre. And I'll apply din sa mga redness ko. And, of course, sa mga pimples, mini pimples ko. So, guys, I will use my fingers again. Pero kayo po bahala if you want some beauty blender or sponge. So guys, here's the finished look in my concealer. So next guys, we're gonna apply some lip tint. This is from Everbelena. So let's apply para sa cheeks natin para may long lasting blush tayo sa whole day nasa school tayo. So guys, here's the finished look in the lip tint. So next guys, we're gonna apply some pressed powder. This is from Maybelline. Oh, by the way guys, you can wear some baby powder if ayaw nyo ng pressed powder. Pero para sa akin, mas better kapag pressed powder ang gamitin nyo. So guys, here's the finished look in the pressed powder. So next guys, we're gonna apply some blush. This is from Revlon. Konti lang ilagay nyo kasi you have some lip tint. So guys, here's the finished look in the blush. So next guys, we're gonna apply some eyebrows. This is from Miniso. This is an eyebrow pencil. So of course, let's brush our brows first. So guys, I'll apply some brows na. Here's the finished look in my brows. I just made them darker and para mas presentable ka tignan sa school. So next guys, we're gonna grab this eyelash curler before we apply the mascara para mas mahaba tignan ang ating lash. So we're gonna grab our mascara from Maybelline. So guys, here's the finished look in our lash. So next guys, we're gonna grab again our lip tint. This is from Ever Belena. So, gonna apply some lip tint para mas long-lasting ang color ng lips natin. So, here's the finished look, guys. So, next, guys, we're gonna grab our lipstick or lip balm. This is from Clinique. I prefer na lip balm ang gamitin niya kasi para ma-moisturize yung lips niya para hindi magmukhang dry ang lips niya. So, guys, here's the finished look in our lips. So, guys, tapos na itong look. So, ibig sabihin nun, montage!
So guys, here's the full face of makeup for college. It's very simple and you can wear it for school. So guys, I hope you like it and enjoy watching this video.
So guys, here's the finished look in my college makeup tutorial. It's very light and perfect for school. So guys, if you are in senior high school, in junior high school, and in elementary, I have some makeup tutorials too. Just watch my previous video. So guys, here's gonna end my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And comment down below, guys, if you have some suggestion maybe. So, see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye!